It's a circle.
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
Yeah, it doesn't charge.
If I catch on fire, make sure you tell me.
Alright, I won't see him hit you. It looks cool.
I'm just saying my motherfucking coat is not flame retardant.
Before he dies.
We used to light each other on fire when I got my first lead welding job.
Really? Light each other on fire? You walk up to him like a pant leg on fire or what?
We would tie a bunch of toilet paper to a long stretch of welding wire so it would hang by your feet and catch your pant legs on fire. When you come up, a lot like certain guys would do big ass welds where you would have to like, it would be like a minute and a half, 2 minutes doing one weld, you know what I mean?
Right.
So as soon as you would start that weld, we'd run over and we'd wrap the wire with the toilet paper already burning, and we'd wrap it around your belt real quick or your belt loop.
Mm-hmm.
You'd be running from the fire not thinking to take it off of yourself. It was hilarious. When they got me, bro, I was so pissed, but then I was like, right, it's on.
It's on.
I was like, that's a good one. Hell yeah. Don't get mad when I tie you to the table first. So when you go try to run, you fucking take the table with you. It's so great though, dude, because every time everybody would try to run from it and not even try, like, think, shit, they put it, it's tied to me. Alright, we should be good to set the seat up here. See what the bees down.
Come wait for it. Do what you want.
You're being all fucking brave. No, I need him to sit up here.
I had it
Get in there.
about there.
Alright, get your butt up in there.
Get up in there.
Attack what?
See,
Why?
I'm not.
Because there's no need.
Because it's gonna move.
That's fine. You can help me move it back.
I'm scared.
That's fine.
Huh?
I said it's fine.
I need to see what the shocks are going to do anyway. But the full weight of you in it.
Alright, grab the steering.
Oh man, we got plenty of room. You can go way further up.
Grab the steering.
I would like to go further up.
Hold on, don't get crazy. 'cause
I'm
you're
not
gonna make
doing nothing.
Plenty of
I'll go
room.
up more. Unless the steering wheel comes closer to me.
Steering wheel's gotta, the steering's all gotta go way up anyway.
I like this.
That looks nice.
Do you want to be more up or?
I like it exactly how it is right now.
Okay. Alright,
I'm not moving.
alright. Don't move.
Don't move.
Give me that marker.
I gotta pee.
Tack it.
What?
Tack it.
Just tag it?
Let's fucking tack it.
I gotta pee.
He's in there. It's where it needs to be. Tack it. Why ain't my mark?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna burn his butt. That'll be alright.
No,
Yeah, no, you got a good few inches before you get your butt burned.
that's what she said.
At least.
Are you pretty center? Feel pretty center? You're pretty center.
My butt's getting on.
Oh, yeah, and the exhaust isn't too close at all.
No, I put like a hand in between. A little more.
And you're pretty far forward in it too, so you won't do wheelies.
Huh?
And you're pretty far forward in it too, you won't do wheelies.
Might.
I don't know, the axle's pretty far behind you. It's a good 3-4 feet. A good 3 feet behind you.
I think that's like really good.
What, where we're at?
We're trying to get as much weight as we can forward without it being silly. Like, you know what I mean? Where we're not like through the windshield.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
I think it came out really nice. That's perfect where it's
Is everybody
sitting.
gonna sit in it?
Well, no, we built it to your size. This is your cart. You're good.
It's kind of scary chilling in here. Just saying. See? Easy escape path. Oh god. Just like add. What?
That's awesome.